sister.
I did not betray her. I only spoke the truth as I know it. And it is the right thing to do.
And you don't hate your sister.
I don't hate my sister. No. I hate what she's doing. I hate the cases that she's filed. But I want the Claudine back. That old Claudine back. Boy, Claudine, bunso namin yan. She was a doll. Patayuin mo yan, Claudine. Put her on top of the table or the chair and she will sing a whole song at age 2. She was the most generous and loving and kind person. And somewhere, I don't know what happened, she just lost it.
A new chapter, you have learned to forgive. Thank you for your forgiveness. You know, kanina kasi we were kidding around. Because we're always that way when we're together, no? What I failed to tell you earlier is you know, when I saw Claudine, she was just the most humble little girl. I saw the Claudine that I wish to see. You know, there was a time I always said, parang si Clau, parang pakiramdam ko patay na. Kasi andyan siya, pero hindi siya yun. Hindi, parang iba yung ugali. Diba? But that day when I saw her here, when she walked in, that little girl who walked in was that very humble, very sweet girl. And all she said is, I love you, forgive me, I miss you. And I found myself uttering the same things. It's something I could not admit to anybody, or I couldn't even talk about Claudine for the longest time. But that day, I found myself uttering just the truth. No pride, no whatsoever. I wasn't thinking of the emotion, of the whatever happened in the past, the hurtful things. All I remember is that I held her in my arms, because syempre hindi pa rin tumatangkad talaga. Akala mo taller na siya, di ba? You know, I said, you know, I just embraced her and I said, I'm sorry. I said, I'm also sorry because talagang pag masama ang pakiramdam, ay yung loob mo pala, sorry, when masama ang loob mo, we tend to say hurtful things, and you know what I learned? You cannot never erase that. You cannot take that back. You know? Good thing, she forgave me, and I forgave her. And that's what's important. And then we're starting anew. So, sa lahat po ng mga kung ano-ano sinasabi na plastic, honestly,
Makulit na kami together talaga. That's a problem.
honestly,
Bahala na.
peace. You know, that's it. You really forgive me?
So much.
There's
You're only